Hey friends, today I am taking you to this beautiful drive-in theater which has recently opened in Mumbai. The Geo Drive-in Theater is located in Geo World Drive Mall in Bandra Kurla complex. I'll be sharing all the details about the drive-in theater like the sound system inside the theater, food options, is outside food allowed or not, and a lot more. So please stay tuned till the end of the video to get all the information about the drive-in theater and how to book your tickets for the drive-in theater. The Geo Drive-in Theater is located inside the Geo World Drive Mall in Bandra Kurla complex. So you have to enter inside the mall for entering the driving theater. So this is the Christmas tree decorations they have done as it was during the festival we visited the theater. The place is all lit up with lights, beautiful decorations. So let's enter the drive-in theater. Wow, it gives such a feel of luxury just while entering the theater. So the place is all lit up with lights. So the number of people allowed in a car are as per the capacity of the car. That is, in a 4-seater car you can take 4 people along with you, and in a 7-seater car you can take 7 people along with you. So the drive-in theater is in the rooftop of the GeoDrive Mall. So guys, if you have still not subscribed my channel, please to subscribe the channel, hit the like button and hit the notification bell icon for more such interesting updates. The way towards the theater is all lit up with lights and it gives you a feel of luxury while entering the theater. The theater is operated by PVR Cinemas. You can book your tickets through the website of PVR Cinemas. You can also book the tickets from Book My Show. Well, if you book the tickets through PVR Cinemas website, they do give you some points while buying the tickets which you can redeem them later. We'll leave the link of the website of PVR Cinemas in the description box below. If you want to read a blog post on the drive-in theater, please check out my website www.travelclever.co.in. You will also get information about some interesting travel destinations on my website. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram at @thetravelclever. I post all the details about my recent trips and travels on Facebook and Instagram. So finally we enter the drive-in theater. So there is a lot of staff inside the theater to help you. Just as we entered the theater, there was a staff who helped us and guided us towards our car parking. So let's go towards the car parking. Well, the theater is very huge and spacious with a capacity of 290 cars. The cars were parked very comfortably and there was a decent distance between the cars. You can sit outside the car or inside the car and enjoy your cinema experience however you want. Well, it was a beautiful experience watching a cinema under the open skies. Well, I felt the screen size was a bit smaller. With regards to the sound system, they have given a radio frequency inside the car where the sound is clearly audible while sitting inside the car. They had also put speakers all around the theater, so you could enjoy the movie experience even while sitting outside the car, and the sound was very clearly audible to me. Well, some people are enjoying the movie sitting down on the ground. So they also had a lounge area where you can comfortably sit and watch the movie. This is a Christmas tree decorated for the festival. So this is a lounge area The seats are very comfortable. Well, it is in the corner of the theater. So now let's talk about the food options available inside the drive-in theater. So there is a food truck offering some delicious street foods of Mumbai, and also there is a food cafe where there is a lot of food options like pizza, pasta, burgers, and a lot more variety in food. You can pause the video and check the food options and price in the menu displayed. Well, you just have to place the order on the counter and they then prepare it and get it to you to the car. Well, I was impressed with the food options and variety they had in food here. Well, we had ordered a Chinese bhel from the food truck. It was served decently in a box with a good amount of quantity. With regards to outside food, well, while booking the ticket, it was clearly written that the outside food is not allowed inside the theater, so we did not carry the food from outside. Well, it was a beautiful experience in the drive-in theater. Be it a movie date or chilling out with your friends and family and watching a movie, it is a good experience. Also, in this COVID times, it is a very good option to sit in your own car and watch a movie. So, if you are in Mumbai city, the Geo Drive-in Theatre should be in your checklist of things to do in Mumbai when in Mumbai. The rooftop drive-in theatre is built with all the modern amenities and good infrastructure. Also, the place is very well maintained and kept clean. You could sense a feel of luxury just while entering the drive-in theatre. Bringing back to you the olden times of the drive-in theatre concept with modern amenities, this is a perfect place to enjoy the drive-in experience. Well, please do not forget to subscribe the channel and thank you for watching the video. Thank you.